Hi everybody, how are you doing? Hopefully you are doing great and fantastic. This is Iqbal Khandakar once again back with you in another new video, and this video is much more special to all of you because in this video I will be talking about from where you can start your English journey, how you will begin your English journey, and that is very much crucial to all of us to know about the exact where from where you will have to start to learn English. And we majority of people we don't know the exact way, and that is why we messed up. Whenever we go for learning English, we try for a while, and whenever we don't see any improvement or any progress or any output, we just simply quit to learn this language. We think it's so hard, it's not possible by me, or it's rocket science. We think like that, and that's why we are down, we are in back situation, we can't go forward. So that is our problem. We don't know the exact way of what we have to do whenever we are dreaming, whenever we are hoping, whenever we are passionate to learn English. So we have to know the exact way, and right now I'm directly going to give you the pure example, the pure real example how you have to learn English. The example is about your mother tongue, that is Bengali. So right now I have a question to you. How did you learn your mother tongue, that is Bengali? Did you learn your mother tongue by reading any book, or did you learn your mother tongue, that is Bengali, by writing? No, you never did it. What you did, that is, you have listened. You have listened to your parents, to your relatives, to your siblings, to your neighbors. By how you learned your mother tongue, that is Bengali. So what you did whenever you were a baby, 6 months baby or 1 years old baby, in that time you couldn't speak Bengali. Okay, you have listened to your parents what they are telling in their daily conversation, what they are telling. You have followed, you have mimicked, you have copied those things, how they are using the sentences, or like sometimes they used to say you, they, come here baby, come here baby, or eat, drink milk. This kind of word they used to make whenever you were a baby, and for the very first time when you were a baby you weren't able to speak those things. But after a certain period, whenever you listened for 1,000 times, your subconscious mind captured all those things, and right now you are able to speak in Bengali. You can speak fluently, you can speak automatically. You don't need to give any much pressure to think what you will speak in your further conversation. Your subconscious mind catch up everything, everything. That's why right now you are so fluent in your mother tongue. And similarly, whenever it comes to learn English language, whenever it comes to speak in English, you have to follow the same thing. You have to listen the native speaker, how they are telling, how they are using sentence, how they are forming the sentence. You have to follow all those things, how they are pronouncing the word, how, what the vocabulary they are using in their conversation. You have to follow those things, and by how you will be a great learner of English, you will be a great speaker of English. And it's very easy to do this. If you're really dreaming to learn English, then you can do it very much easily. But the thing is, we are just we don't know the exact way. We first of all we focus on grammar, we focus on vocabulary. We think that I have to learn first of all grammar, then I have to learn vocabulary. So without it, I wouldn't be able to learn English. We think like this, but it is not like that. First of all, you have to try. You have to understand the listening. Then you have to open your mouth. For the very first time, it very much simple. You might make mistake. You might make mistake. So mistake is very common. By mistaking, you will learn a good English. You will learn vocabulary. You will learn grammar. So don't emphasize on grammar whenever it times for the beginning in your journey. First of all, stay focused in the listening. Then try to speak something, and then you will know everything, the vocabulary. You might scare that you think like you don't know the vocabulary, but the basic vocabulary you already know because you have completed your 10th grade, your 12th grade, even higher degree you have completed, but still you are not able to speak. So I bet, I'm sure that you know the basic vocabulary. So don't think you don't know vocabulary. So just go for listening and then go for speaking. That's a pretty much easiest way and simplest way to learn English. That is, I believe. And that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video too much, because in this video I have shared the very much important tips and tricks, that is about from where you should have to start to learn English. You have to emphasize on listening, then speaking, then other like grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, or accent. That's it. Bye.